For each statement in 20 through 32, determine whether the statement is true or false. Prove the statement directly from the definitions if it is true, and give a counterexample if it is false. The product of any two even integers is a multiple of 4. So here I have the definition of even and the definition of multiple. This statement is universally quantifying two integers. So is it true that if we multiply two even integers, we get a multiple of 4? Well, if we just brainstorm, if we have one even integer, I'll write as 2k, where k is some integer, and then another even integer, 2m, where m is some integer, this is going to be simplified as 4km, which clearly has a factor of 4, so it's divisible by 4, meaning that 4km is a multiple of 4. So that's the brainstorming, but let's be formal if we want to prove this. We start by writing proof. Now, since we are proving a statement that is universally quantified, we should instantiate two integers. So let's let x and y be two even integers. And so now we need to show that the product of x and y is a multiple of 4. We can do this by unpacking the definition of even. So x equals 2k for some integer k, and y equals 2s. I can't use the letter k here again because we already instantiated k when defining x. If I put a k here, then I would be technically defining y to be the same number as x. And that might not be the case from our assumptions. X and y are two arbitrary even integers. They could be different even integers. And so we just want to convey that y is even by saying y equals 2s for some integer s. Since we use different letters here, we can convey that these two even integers might be different. So now we want to show that the product of x and y is a multiple of 4. To do that, we're going to consider x times y. By substitution, x is 2k and y is 2s. So we can substitute x and y with 2k and 2s respectively. And our justification is by substitution. Next, we can say that 2k times 2s is the same thing as 4 times k times s by algebra. So x times y equals 4 times ks. Since integers are closed under multiplication, then ks equals m for some integer m. By substitution, we can replace ks with m. So xy equals 4 times m for some integer m. By definition of multiple, this means that xy is a multiple of 4. Thanks everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.